severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois until 4 p.m. At 3:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Davis Junction, or near Rockford Airport, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rochelle, Davis Junction, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, Creston, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, and Kings. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 97 and 114. Interstate 88 between mile markers 75 and 82. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather radio.
That scared the crap out of me. Holy crap.
Weather is occurring or forecast to occur in
Oh my god.
This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago.
Wow. That jump scared me. I was just sitting here on a Discord call trying to just fiddling with my WX500 and all of a sudden there's a freaking SVR issue. What do you know? Holy crap.
At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Isman, or 10 miles northeast of Rochelle, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Sycamore, Shavona, Portland, Kirkland, Kingston, Malta, Lee, and Fairdale. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 94 and 96. Interstate 88 between mile markers 83 and 96. This includes Northern Illinois University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, that's the first storm for me. First storm of the frickin' season. What is still on? Oh, thank God you went off. I was worrying about you. Wow. Well, let's see. Yeah, that looks nasty. But, alright, so less radios failed this time. Sharecom failed, no surprise there. No FM stations are toned out around here, so I'm just gonna slide that over to weather. Honeywell failed. This has been failing a lot recently. I don't know why. It's concerning me. What else failed? Let's see. You failed. I think that's about it. Oh yeah, oh no, the pineapple went off! Yay. Yay. What do you think about that, Recon? We were just talking and then all of a sudden, just wee-woos.
I was just sitting there and all of a sudden I just hear...
Yes.
Like, oh. And it's for your locations.
Yeah, it's for NIU and I'm here, so... I'm gonna get f***ing whacked. Okay, and then the Weather X, cool, it can decode alerts when it's powered off, so that's good.
I got you.
Wow. I was not expecting this. Thank God I came home today because I wasn't going to.
Imagine if the
Wow.
W500 went off.
Ugh, if only. If only this piece of crap went. Oh well.